Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to generate a wallpaper using AI on Android 16. Let's begin. So first we want to go to our settings, then wallpaper and style, and then we can click more wallpapers. Now as you can see we have create wallpaper option right at the top, and of course we want to go to AI wallpaper. Now we have few different things to choose from. We can have imaginary category night, painting, terrain, mineral, luminous, soft focus, X-ray, texture, translucent, volcanic and bloom. So we will do something funny. I can't? Okay. Let's go for imaginary. And now we can go, as you can see, we can tap a word for ideas and inspiration. So currently we have a surreal bicycle made of flowers in the shades of pink and purple. Amazing. So we can go with, we can switch bicycle to something else. As you can see we do have few things to choose from. I'm probably going to go with, interesting. Let's go with lighthouse. Let's switch it so it's not made of flowers, but instead it's made of, oh, it is pretty basic. That is interesting. Let's go with sapphire and the pink and purple. Let's go with coral and tan. So now, of course, you don't have to truly choose what I'm choosing. You can choose whatever you like. Now, all you want to do is simply hit Create Wallpaper. Now we need to add and choose our Google account, because we do need a Google account for this. Of course, we have to agree to Google privacy policy. And now an AI is creating our surreal lighthouse made of sapphire in shades of coral and tan. So, as you can see, we do have few different outcomes, and we can choose between what we like. I do think that this is pretty good, but this has, I think, the biggest amounts of detail. Yeah, it has plenty of detail. So let's hit check mark. Now we can set it as wallpaper. Let's leave it so it will only change the home screen wallpaper. Let's hit set, and as you can see, our wallpaper is now this very cool AI generated lighthouse, or whatever you have chosen. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.